We can finally start stream. Good to see you guys again. It's only Tuesday, but tomorrow's my break day. I won't stream tomorrow. Honestly, I didn't want to stream today, but you know, we gotta put in that work. But how are you? Oh, shoot, my camera. I didn't realize my camera was closed. My bad. That's my bad, gang. Oh, check out the JJK shirt. You know, my dad got me this for my birthday a while ago. Um, of them, of him and my mom, of both of them. Um, but life is good right now. Honestly, I'm just trying to relax. You know, I should probably not listen to breakcore right now, but yeah, I think I'm gonna pause it for now because I need to relax. I just ran a bit, you know. I did my morning run, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm low key exhausted. I even cooked breakfast, so like, I I know that doesn't even sound like a lot, but you know, I just feel tired. But how are you guys? You know, my day is off to a great start. I kind of went to sleep late. Like I went to sleep at 10 or 11 o'clock last night, but I just couldn't fall asleep until 12. Like it took me a whole hour to fall asleep. Like, so sad. But like, how do you like get yourself to fall asleep without like taking medication or nothing? You know, I just want to like go to sleep. But oh yeah, actually, I was just trying to think of something, but then my brain farted again. Um, oh shoot, is the stream still broken? No, it isn't. Sorry, I'm just looking at my thing from YouTube Studio, and of course I have OBS on, but my YouTube Studio just it's messing me up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. After today, after stream today, I'm hopping on gaming. I'm doing zero work. Like I'm just being lazy and doing whatever I want because none of y'all can tell me. All right, but yeah. So I'm thinking for the plan today. You know, yesterday we did get a lot of work done. We lost a bit of it because of, you know, Unity crashed on me. That sucked. But it's okay. It's okay. It doesn't even matter that much anyway. We just make sure we're not missing anything. But sorry, my brain is still fried from that run, so I need to make sure I'm all there. You know, I'm a little nuts. Uh, Um, I've been watching Blue Lock with my sister. Like of course I'm rewatching it, but my sister is kind of watching it with some spoilers because you know people on YouTube like they spoil everything. So um yeah, and it honestly it's been fun, kind of um like explaining some things to her. She gets a lot of it without even me explaining it. Like she's good at analyzing, and that's pretty good of her. But Blue Lock is really good. I recommend everybody to watch it. Honestly, I haven't even watched IQ, and I admit that it's probably a better sports anime than Blue Lock. But you know, Blue Lock is a psychology anime. It's not just focusing on the sports. So yeah, if you want to watch Blue Lock, just think of it as a psychology anime, not as what is it called? Not as a sports anime. Because if you were playing soccer like they did in Blue Lock, you'd be nuts, bro. Have you ever played soccer with your life on the line? Hell nah, bro. Yeah, some of these guys gotta go. Like you're doing way too much. Uh, the sun is shining. How are y'all days going? Um, I know some people out there in Texas are flooding. I'm so extremely lucky to not be in those areas. But Also, like pretty much the rest of America, I guess, is good. But we should always pray for those who are stuck in those floods. I wish them good luck. I hope they everything goes well for them. You know. But yeah, just make sure the timer's still going. Yeah, we have 4 minutes. I was supposed to start the stream at 11. The timer should be at 0 when we get to 10 o'clock. So I don't know why. It's fine. It doesn't even matter that much anyway. Get your water in. AJK Gojo always has that drip on, no matter what. He always has a fire drip. Uh, Favorite JJK character? Yuji is cool. I think personally it's Yuta. Like, of course, like after the haircut, he kind of threw me off. But I think he's really interesting. Like he started off like typical anime protagonist. He starts like he was super weak and like anxious. He was like them Deku types, and then he became confident. But I think his whole like thing with Rika is really cool. Like summoning him with or summoning her with the ring, and also I just like katana using characters. Like brawlers who just use their fists are cool, but my favorite are katana wielders personally. You know. It was though. Whoa. What do we blow? What do we blow? Uh, and honestly, I want to take a nap, but I already told you this that I'm exhausted. But I think I'm gonna put some sunglasses over my eyes. That way, you guys can't tell that I'm tired. Hmm? By I mean you guys, I mean the spirits of hell because I have 0 views right now. I mean, like the only people are watching on my ancestors, and they looking down like, "What the hell is this boy doing? Talking to a camera like this boy is crazy." But they never understand the grind that I go through. uh, oh man, here this mic is up here. I'm hip. At some point, I want to watch Evangelion, but it's like Berserk. How reading it will change you, and it's one of them crazy animes and mangas. But I do need to read. Watch that. I almost said watch like I'm Asia. I need to watch something. Oh my goodness, that is so. Um. Yep. Should I use that thumbnail anymore, or should I just make it so that I don't use a thumbnail? Like I think I might use it for the VODs, but for the actual streams, should I remove it and you just use whatever shows up? I just want to know what you guys think, because there's no views right now. I just like if you're watching this VOD, just tell me what you think. Unless you're like months later. At that point, I don't think it really matters. But you could still give me ideas even if you're here months later. I'm probably any comments you send, I'll review. Yeah, because that's the only comments I get, and I get extremely prideful of people commenting on my videos. Mm. I'm so mad because yesterday it deleted all my work. Well, Unity crashed, but thankfully, Visual Studio Code saves your work, and it's not like directly connected to Unity. So we're kind of good. We're kind of good. But it's so annoying having your stuff lost. Yeah. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. I changed up my workout schedule now. Um, so before I was doing upper body and I was doing two like a long run or a short run and then a tempo run. Okay, countdown is over. I'll change when I finish this. So I have upper body and lower body, and on those same days I have short runs and tempo runs. But net and then they would repeat, like, of course, take a rest day in between and then restart, and then we wait till next week. And then but I've replaced the tempo run with a long run. But now I think I'm just gonna do um they do push pull legs. I'm gonna do push legs pull, and then I'm gonna do a short run, a tempo run, then a rest day for my running, but also doing a pull day, right? And then we restart the cycle, push pull, short run, and then I think I'm gonna do another short. I only do one tempo run a week, so short run, and or I just have another long run, and then I have a rest day with push. I mean with pull, and I think that's how my workout's gonna go. But I want you to tell me like what you think. Is that like a good plan, or am I just overworking myself? Because you don't want to overwork yourself. But we gotta get to work now. Let's go. Oh, I can't see with these sunglasses. It's so dark. I made sure to put the credits this time. Bro, I realize that I have to give credits to like the artist, and I know that's stupid, and you should give credits to the artist anyway. But I was honestly just being lazy and stupid, and now I started panicking before stream, trying to like give all the credits so that I don't get like DMCA'd or something. I'm gonna go back to all my old VODs and add the credits to them to make sure that I don't get cooked, but I probably will get cooked. Oh man, I'm so done for. This looks like a minefield. Wait, let me check to make sure y'all can hear decently. Man, I look so high right now, even though I've never been high in my life. I wonder if you can get like fake high off of like natural like like some people produce like natural alcohol, and that's why they like assume that they like were drunk in the car, but that's not true. Um, their body just produces natural alcohol. Does your body produce any natural substances that can get you in that high state? Baka, you stupid Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm so brain dead right now that that's what I'm doing. So and let me just add a sprite renderer. Yesterday, my bro Coward, he's a great he's like he's been teaching me a bit of stuff, and I'm grateful for him. There's a lot of things I still don't understand what he says, and honestly I'm a little nervous to tell him that, but so I appreciate him for teaching me things. Man. Oh, this music is fire. Oh, wait. Wait. Whoa. Wait. Wait. Yeah, I can't wait to start streaming on my off channel when I play games. Honest, like, here I worry about being entertaining because I need to get these views so that I can promote my game for when it comes out. But, over there I can just chill and do whatever. Uh, so please check me out, bruh. Let me find it. 2D object tile map. Angular. What am I gonna call this? I genuinely have no idea. Walls. Sorry, my brain farted. Man. Open top. Aw, jeez. Aw, jeez. I'm Morty. Aw, jeez. And if somebody, like... Oh my goodness, bro. Somebody explain to me why it does that. I'm gonna search it up. Why does... Yeah, why do time maps change the size of an object? Interaction between time map setting of the tall sprites. Okay, it says it doesn't inherently change the size, but it does. It's at double the scale. Why is that at double the scale? What? No! Why? I'll just change it later. Okay, so I'm gonna go to walls. Wait, why did I close the top prefab thing? The palette, I mean. Oh, the music's turning up. Hold up. Let him cook. Let him cook. Honestly, do these walls look ugly? They probably... I think they do. And it doesn't matter what you think, because you're not me. Ha ha ha. That wasn't very funny, honestly. I'm very cringe. Do I deserve to die for that? For being cringe? Maybe cringe people deserve to die, like me. Maybe. I don't know where I was going with that. I was going on an emotional tangent because I'm so tired. When I'm exhausted, I go on these tangents. I'm sorry, man. Please forgive me. Please. I need emotional validation. Oh, shoot. Wait. These walls are massive. Oh, I forgot. You don't need a... I made it so that they, like, kind of... I don't know what I was going with that. But they're large, so you don't have to place them in every single... You see that? You don't have to place them every single tile. Like that. See, I'm so smart. Not really. But I like to seem like it. Guys, I'm funny. Please. Oh, man. You know, if I could be less tired, I wouldn't, because, you know, it's so funny being this relaxed. And I don't care what anybody thinks, except I kind of do. And I'm insecure just like everybody else is, but does it really matter? No. Who cares about other people? Screw those guys. Oh, that's a problem. Another thing, I didn't really think this through. Maybe I should change... Should I make two separate tile maps? Like, I have two separate grids. Like, they're both childs of the thing. Nah. I think I am just gonna keep it like that for now. I'm gonna change the cell size. Yep. Wait, I can change it to a hexagon. And then the isometric is super weird, too. But I've never made an I don't think I'll consider ever making an isometric game. But it would be cool though. Like, wouldn't you guys think so? I'm cool. Oh, I forgot. I haven't been checking chat. So focused. And there's no viewers anyway, so it doesn't matter, bruh. Y'all may think I'm being, like, pretending happy, but I'm low-key, like, so relaxed right now. It's okay. It's okay. I'm calm. I'm totally calm. I'm not gonna crash out on anybody. By the way, I'm letting you know, if you invite me to a competitive game, I'll usually only play if it's, like, not Fortnite, you know? Like, or like, what do I mean by competitive game? I mean like online games. Like, I don't really play like multiplayer, like competitive games like Fortnite, I've re-downloaded Marvel Rivals, but that's only for the Spider-Man Venom skin. I don't know if I'm gonna keep if I'm gonna play it at all, actually. Because I'm so done with competitive games, honestly. Like, why do people even play these things? But I'm just tired, man. I'm so tired of grinding just to get like bodied by these these try-hard kids, or like they don't even try actually. That's the funny thing. They have all this skill, like all this talent, and they just absolutely obliterate me. But they also spend like 8 hours a day playing Marvel Rivals. So can you really call them talented? Maybe instead we should give them a life. You know? Give these kids something they might actually want, or something. I don't know, like a loving kid. This breakcore is hitting something else, bro. Oh. So done. Oh, what is going on? Sorry, the music is kind of freaking me out. Also, let me just check the code for the player. Yeah, because this was the main thing last time. Whatever was going on with the player script, like, I have no idea. Eh. I am Lavinho. I will score a super goal. Is that a good accent? So if the distance of the okay, this thing just calculates whichever one is closest. And then I'm gonna do if I'm gonna do this for now. Else by item or closest item is good, but I'm just problem solving right now. This is not how the code is actually gonna work. Let's see how this goes. I don't know if null even works with overlap circle all, or things that return arrays of stuff. Let me go to debug mode. Oh, I'm tired as hell. I genuinely might end stream to take a nap and then come back to stream. Oh man. So it doesn't go away. I see an issue. What object is this? Okay. So it is able to detect the nearest item. But it's not able to say when it's null. Let's search it up. What does overlap circle all return when there are no colliders? Empty array. If I change it to that, it doesn't return null. It'll turn an array with the length of 0. Okay. What if I... Okay. To problem solve, I think I'm gonna debug log. Let's... I'm gonna do the length. Length. So it's either gonna return 0, 1, or... No, they're not close enough, so it's either gonna be 0 or 1. But if it never gives me 0, then I'm gonna crash out. So it's giving me 0. Wait. I didn't test out if it ever goes up. So 1. That's perfect. Okay, I understand now. Let's see. Nearby items length. No. It should be. I need to do a if statement. If nearby items length is equal to 0, right? Then closest item, and then else. What is this? What is going on in this song? I honestly have no idea. There we go. Somebody please explain to me what is going on back there. What is she saying? Stop. Like, I was gonna say something, but that would have been inappropriate. I'm sorry. Oh man. Let's see if this goes well. Oh my gosh. There's no way. Another crash! It's fine. My code works anyway. Anything in there doesn't even matter. Let me see. Unity crash handler. Okay. Because it shows up in my task manager. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hack my computer by saying my thing. But you see, where's the Unity crashing? See, these things are supposed to be working. Why? You see, what is that? But they're supposed to be doing something, and they don't. But Unity just crashed on me, so... You know what? What if I just played Enter the Gungeon, my favorite game, while this is going on? Bruh. No way. Oh. Oh man, this is gonna go into a clip for sure. A bomba clat. I see. I actually can't see. That's why that's why I wear these glasses, because I can't actually. And I want to hide my blind. But I think a toothpick would work. Or floss, I mean. You need 2 toothpicks, and I don't feel like wasting that. Oh man, please, Unity. Unity crashing. Editor crashing. Also, I want to know if Enter the Gungeon was actually made in Unity, because I saw this one video like talking about like the story of the Enter the Gungeon developers, and apparently it wasn't. Like they made their own engine because the way their lighting works, or like the way the pixel stuff works. I don't know if that's true, but can somebody tell me if Enter the Gungeon was made in Unity? Because like Google is telling me that, but also I don't know. Enter the Gungeon was so good, I don't believe it came from a horrible editor like this one. Maybe my computer just isn't good enough, like, to handle this. No, 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 that was an accident. I actually almost deleted that. Oh, man. Bro, this looks ugly. Like, it just used dark mode, bro. Who uses light mode, respectfully? Oh, by the way, I still have 0 viewers, so, like, if you're watching the VOD, shout out to you, you know? Or whatever you're doing. I'm gonna see what I can do. This is all this. Let's see if we can fix this. If I said it's a high, are they gonna, like, fix it? I don't even know what I did, to be honest. Oh, man. No, yeah, it's kind of nice being back at 0 views because, you know, I can just do whatever the hell I want. But also, I need a nap. And, if I want to get better at actually entertaining people, you know, there need to be actual people to give me feedback, you know? That one guy left, and honestly, he gave me very valuable insight. I think I care too much about what people said, though, because, like, he, like, said make it Chinese, and honestly, it was just a bit, you know? I didn't actually have to make it Chinese, but then I took it too seriously, and I was focusing on it. Like, you can't care about things too much. But if it doesn't fix within... If it doesn't fix itself, or whatever, then I think I'm just gonna end stream, because I can't work. And then I'm gonna fix all the crediting problems with my streams, because, yeah, I need to give credits to all the artists. You know, if you're seeing this, I apologize. Honestly, I think I was just, ignorant, and I probably should have added credit, you know? Not bad, though. I promise to use, or to give credit from now on. Anyway, closing. I didn't remember to turn on autosave. Damn it. But the only thing I changed was my code, so it's okay.
Hello everybody and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how we can resolve a fairly common problem that I know is something that happened to me very many times when I started learning Unity and video game
Just
development.
watch, guys.
And
Be
that is what
patient.
happens if we're playing our game and then we go to push a button.
Okay, no, that's not what happened. That is not. That is. Rose. Um. Infinite loops? Wait, what? Is it really my code that's the problem? Oh, oh no. Okay, it might be my fault. Visual Studio Code. No way, no way. Coding overload. Considered. Oh, damn. So everything is cooked right now. Oh, shoot! No, I thought my OBS closed. But I'm gonna stop it soon. Bam, 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 bam. So for are any of these like infinite loops? Uh, yeah, I honestly no idea. Um, well, I guess that's it, guys. Haha, great stream. Let me just hide my insecurities with these sunglasses. Have a good day, I guess. I'll just be here panicking. Honestly, I actually, at a certain point in life, I don't know if this is a good thing or not. I stopped panicking over everything. Like, even when I get a bad grade, I'm just like, cool. Of course, I know it sucks and I know I need to do better, but like, I don't like cry or like hate myself or anything. Like, I think I kind of used to, but like now it's like, yeah. And like, if I fail at something, I'm just like, yeah, I missed or something. I don't really nothing really matters to me anymore. So like, I'm just a nonchalant guy, bro. But seriously, can somebody tell me if this is a problem? Like, I don't know. Um, whatever you're doing, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your life. Don't panic, cause um, things may go wrong, but that's okay. Cause even when things go wrong, you'll be okay. Bye. Oh my gosh. God damn. Oh.